What's going on, guys? This video might not even go up because I don't know how I feel about it, but I need a new toolbox. I don't have a lot of room in my garage, so I need a little bit more storage, and with the toolbox I'm getting today, it'll probably help out a lot. It's kind of weird because Corona, I don't know how I'm gonna grab it, but I paid for it online, and when we get there we'll figure out how we get it. So we'll see you guys when I get back. Home now, but we got her, boys. She's in. It's had me and my brother. Somehow we managed to take it out of the van, and we dragged it all the way from there to here, and now we have it here. Now it looks like we don't have room for this thing, which you may be right, but oh tits, my plan is to put that there, and I think I have the room for it because I measured it and we should be fine. And also the box is a little bit bigger than what it actually is, always, because you have to make room for so it doesn't damage itself. So we should be fine. Well, let's figure this out because a lot of stuff this can be moved, and a lot of stuff is going to go in this anyway. Like the way it came packaged. There's a good chance it did not get damaged. It's pretty dope. Okay then, so it's on the floor now. What I'm gonna do is I took those out of this drawer here. I don't think there's anything in this one. Hey. I hope not. Nope, nothing in there. Cool. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put on the casters at the bottom there. I think there's threads already in them. Yes, there is. Okay, cool. And it's starting to hail. It's starting to hail. That's Canada for you. Anyways, we're gonna get on to this. Thanks, Mom. Well, we're gonna time lapse from here. hardware they came with, it's pretty solid actually. I'm actually very happy with it. I expected it to be a lot worse, but I guess for a cabinet this size, it does have to be pretty good. Anyways, back to it. Also, please don't turn the bathroom on again. Oh, caught you. I hope the vacuum doesn't come on again. It's very loud and annoying, and this is definitely in the shot. Damn. Whatever. So I have to live with that. Also, it came with this, which if you didn't have any tools, it would probably be great. But since I have too many tools, and the reason I bought this is because I need more storage, obviously I have a little thing like this, which makes it a lot easier. Yes, I probably should put it on my impact driver, but I'm just too lazy to go find it, and this works pretty well right now. So they're all on pretty much loosely, except for that one. I think that one's fully tight. I'm just going to go around everything with this guy here, because from what I understand, you basically just have to kind of hand tighten it. I don't want to use the impact because I don't want to strip anything, because with it being the price that it is, it's maybe a little too cheap, but I'm just going to go and fasten everything down quickly. Very easy to put down, but to lift back up, this is like almost impossible. It's done. I got it up. I had my brother help me. I didn't want to put him in the video, so I just stopped recording. So yeah, that's it right there. The only thing I have to do left is put that bar on the side there. And let's get that, and then I can clean up this garbage. That's not garbage. Not yet. I'm going to put this all in the garbage somehow, and then I'll start transferring stuff. I also want to get more of... I'll find it when I go through that, but the little things to... Because I want to basically make this my whole socket drawer. All my sockets, all my ratchets, and then maybe some other little things, but this is going to be my whole socket drawer. I think I can literally fit all my 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch in here. And that would be a lot better, because basically this whole thing, these are like all my ratchets. This is all my quarter. This is all my 3/8 and a little bit of, no, this is all my 3/8, and this is all my 1/2 inch with also a little bit of 3/8 in it. So basically that whole thing is sockets for the most part. Like literally, like if you look here, and the thing is too, what I don't like about this one is you can't, my fingers, if you look at my knuckle, my hand can go all the way past my first knuckle, and that's the back of this drawer. This one here, I don't have to worry about that, even though it kind of covers my hand, but I can literally grab it without having to dig in and not see what I'm doing. That I can't see. So that's also a plus. So yeah, literally all that stuff. And this is all wrenches, but this I can put in my socket drawer, which is good. I can put that in my socket drawer. This is literally all 1/2, 1/4 inch, and I don't use basically any of this stuff because 1/4 inch is kind of useless to me, but it came in the set and whatever. Too bad I can't copyright, but I would play that stupid song, Satisfaction. Oh, let's get this out of the way. Oh, okay. Now let's do this. Ooh. Satisfaction. That one was nice. Ooh, even that noise is just satisfying. I don't know if I can take that one off. Maybe I'll do that later. Is the French stickers. Apply labels for stores located in Quebec, Canada. I don't live in Quebec, Canada. So this is garbage. Yep, this is garbage. And these are all the mats, I believe. Yep, these are definitely all the mats. Hit. There. Oh, there's the key. Okay. I'm going to place all the mats in, and then I'll show you what they look like. So another thing I noticed about the box I don't like, maybe because it's so brand new, but these drawers, like that isn't closed. To close them, you got to really push on them. And this one's not too bad, actually. This one kind of opens and closes not too bad, and it locks into place. But this one here, like I almost fell. Like you have to really tug on these things, and then to put them in, oh, like you really have to push on it. Maybe because it is brand new and it just needs to be broken in somewhat. But I'm really nitpicking at things, I think. But the actual drawers slide, like they slide very nice. Like it's very smooth, nothing. But yeah, whatever. I'm gonna put my tools in. I don't know how great this video is gonna be, but we'll go from here. Yes, also, the mats, great. Again, I need better lighting because my shadow's all in the shot. But yes, the mats, very nice. They're not the thickest foam, but you know what? That one didn't come with anything. So yeah, it's better that it came with something than nothing, especially since they're so cheap, these things already. Also, another point I want to make, yes, I understand Harbor Freight sells pretty great things. There's one issue. I live in Canada. Harbor Freight doesn't exist here. So we kind of have to go to Home Depot. Princess Auto has some things, but I feel like for the price and the size and what you get with this has to be the best box you can get. Also, this lowered. These used to be like $398, but now they're $348. They're $348, and they also came without new colors. The black one's cool, but I really wanted the white, and I think the white looks absolutely awesome. So I was cleaning that out, and I have that almost sorted. Still kind of looks like a mess, but I'll try to figure that out. And I started shaking this guy, and after I shook it out, this fell. My deep 14 3/8. I've been looking for this since last summer. Damn. Well, that's what you get for start cleaning shit out. And we're back. This is like, I don't even know how to say it. This is like maybe 6 hours later from when I saw you guys last. So I did quite a few things. I had dinner. I went out to go get some food. And yeah, anyways, we're back. I finished finally doing the toolbox for the most part almost. I need to order a couple things like socket trays because I don't have that. Since this is going to be my socket drawer, I have to get more of these. If I can get a lot of those, I can fill this whole part here of just sockets. What I'm going to do is, and what I started, because since I'm not going to use, I don't really like these for, like, see how it's hard to take off by yourself, like with one hand. These ones are good for travel, but I don't want those for like when I'm in my garage because I just want to come and grab it instead of having to rip it off. I'm going to get the ones that you can just slide in and out, so it'll be a lot easier. But I use these ones here for like the SAE stuff, or like I like American cars and stuff. I don't really work on American cars. I work on like Japanese stuff all the time, so I don't have to worry about that. So what I'm gonna do is I use these for 1/2 inch and 3/8, so it works out. I'm probably never gonna use these sockets. This one especially, I tried buying this off of just to see what could work for something, but these are absolutely useless. It's too hard because if you don't hold enough pressure on these, they just fall out and you can strip it. So those are useless. But to show you what I did so far on the box. So top drawer, it's going to be sockets, extensions, hand tools, like the basic hand tools to do everything. I think I did a good job. Also, I did the same thing here for the wrenches. I have my metric ratcheting flex wrenches with the with the regular wrenches. So I'm going to do that. And I also covered the SAE ones because, again, like I said, I never use them. So I don't care about stacking them because I don't have to worry about them. My breaker bar here, and then the next drawer. So I'm not going to go into detail, but, you know, whatever, bang, did that. Hand tools. This one's kind of a mess. I didn't really plan this out that well. I have one more hammer. I think I left it in my basement because I used it for something, but whatever. This one here is kind of a mess too. It's not really like the best planned out one. I'm trying to plan these out a little better, but not really working out for me. This is like my PPE drawer. I did that specifically. Everything safety, glasses, gloves, ear protection, all in there. And then here's again, like the other ones, I don't really know what to put together, so I kind of mixed a couple things. I have an air gun, an air ratchet, and some stuff there. Whatever, I kind of just threw like basically whatever was off, like some my Dremel stuff here, and then just drill bits. Oh, let's start with this one first. This is my dad's stuff. Since he's not really going to use much, he has a buffer and then his DeWalt stuff. He doesn't really use it much, so I just put it in there to like forget about it, and it saves me room over there, so I had room to move everything over. These are so hard to close. And then my drawer here, I put all my Milwaukee stuff, so it works out. That one's charged, I have the other one charging. And I just have all my stuff. Like I put my impact, the grinders. This, I put the bag under as well. And then I just have all the attachments for the grinder. These fucking drawers. There we go. Yeah, and I also was able to make a ton more room here. This I need to organize better, but whatever. That is an absolute disaster, but this is going to go away when I end up building the engine, so I have more room there eventually. But whatever. Yeah, and then I have to mount this still here. This I don't know where to put right now. These I bought before the car went. Forget about that. There's, I have a socket here. Huh. That's weird. Me with my toolbox right now. I'll do like a real in-depth one because I didn't really go through that one and what I want to do with that yet. And I have to go through all this shit. Like that stuff, I just still need to sell a bunch of stuff from the IS300, but that's out too. Anyways, guys, thanks everyone for watching. This is kind of a weird video. I haven't really done this before, but I'm really happy with my toolbox. I think it looks absolutely great. The white is very nice, but even just putting it together, I can see how it's going to get dirty really, really fast. And I also got it not just for like, you know, having all my storage and stuff in it. I think it's gonna work a lot better for videos when I do like product displacements and like box openings, whatever the hell you want to call them. And yeah, lock that up because someone's gonna steal it, but whatever. Anyways, thanks everyone for watching. See you guys next time.